Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Binance account, then you have to log in. So after login you have to go to on your wallet address, then you have to click on deposit. After that you have to click on search. So we are gonna receive our USDT from Tonkeeper, that's why we will search for USDT. After searching USDT, you have to click on USDT. Then you have to select a network that you use to transfer the USDT. You have to click on Tone Coin, just like this network. After that, you have to click on OK. Then here, as you can see, here is the deposit address. You have to click on copy, and this is the USDT memo. It will require, or you will lose your coins. So after that, you have to go to your Tonkeeper wallet. Okay. Opening the Tonkeeper wallet, you have to click on send. Then you have to put your address you just have copied. Okay, just like this. Then you have to click on continue. After that you have to click on this option and you have to click on USDT. As you can see, you have to transfer USDT. Then you have to put your amount here and you have to continue. After clicking on continue, your amount will be transferred from Tonkeeper to USD Binance app. So this is how you can transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance app. I hope you find this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.